नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shrimahans, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars, visitors, viewers who are sitting with all of us through Nityananda TV and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. City is sitting with us via two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. Los Angeles Adinam, Malaysia Buttu Caves. Blessings to Malaysia Buttu Caves. The grand celebration of Thaipusam, and blessings to whole Malaysia Sangha and whole Malaysia country. Let Murugan Swami bless Malaysia. Annadanam will be successful and Thaipusam will be successful. And blessings for Kavadi and Palkudam and Third Eye Demo and everything, all the auspicious things. Annadanam, Kavadi, Palkudam, Darisanam, Third Eye Demo, enriching, casting, everything. Blessings for all you guys. Muruganukku Arohara. Pattumalai Muruganukku Arohara. Hyderabad Adinam, Warrington, Colombo, Sri Lanka, Hyderabad Gupta Kashi, Charlotte, Bangalore North, St. Louis Adinam, Toronto Adinam, Houston Adinam, Los Angeles Adinam, and many more are joining. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Actually, I already started writing my answer lyrics. It started happening. I just need little time to sit with my official Asthana singers to put the lyrics in tune, and maybe they will come and sing for you guys. The lyrics, my response to Sangha anthem. I'll enter into the next verse of the Isavasya Upanishad. The 17th verse, today at least. I'll read the verse. Please recite along with me. Vayuranilam Amritamadedam Basmandagum Sariram. Understand? That is a Padapeta. Basmandagum Sariram. That of gum is the Padapeta. Means the way I heard from my gurus, I am maintaining it as it is. In some versions, the Padapeta may not be there, but I am maintaining the Padapeta as I heard from my gurus. So in our Sangha, we will chant with that of gum. Basmandagum Sariram. Om Krato Smara Kridagum Smara. Again the of gum, the Padabetam. The gum has to be uttered in a very silent way. Krato smara kridagum smara Kratho smara kridagnu smara. I'll recite once more. Vayuranilam amritamadetham basmandagnu sariram om kratho smara kridagnu smara kratho smara kridagnu smara. Chanting version for SoundCloud, because many times we miss only the chanting of the verses for SoundCloud. That is why I am giving you 2-3 times to repeat, so that at least one version, a complete version, they will get it for SoundCloud. Vayuranilam amritamadetham basmandagum sariram om kratho smara kridagnu smara kratho smara kridagnu smara. Now I'll give you the translation. I can translate on my own first, but I wanted to read out the literal translation for you. Let the vital life energy wind present in the body now merge into the all-pervading eternal cosmic life energy, air. And now let this grass body along with subtle body disintegrate into its basic elements and be reduced to the sacred ashes. O Supreme Consciousness, known by the sacred syllable Om, remember all that has been done to attain oneness with you. O mind, remember the Supreme Consciousness, the Lord of all enriching sacrifices, whom you are always remembering in your actions. I can say in this verse, one of the most powerful spiritual practice is given. This process should be called as eternal life process. Anybody who does this process while he is alive will master this process to practice during the time he leaves the body, and that will naturally make him enlightened and live the eternal life in the cosmic space. Let the vital energy, wind, vayu present in the body now merge into all-pervading eternal consciousness. Vayuranilam amritam. The eternal cosmic life energy. Vayuranilam amritameda. Amritamadetam. Understand the great truth revealed in this verse. Whatever you call it as life can merge with the eternal life. The body can go back to the basic elements. You relax into that eternal cosmic life. Every night when you fall asleep, if you practice this technique, It will become part of you, your very being. So when you fall into the eternal sleep, you will fall into eternal life. It's actually a technique. The whole sutra verse is technique. The 17th verse of the Isavasya Upanishad. When you fall asleep, remember vital life energy, Vayu. Relax into the cosmic life energy. Let this body go back to its elements, the source basic elements. Let this consciousness become one with the eternal consciousness, the oneness. Let me remember this. Krato smara kridagam smara. Krato smara kridagam smara. Please understand, Upanishadic masters, they may be poets, but they never utter a single word extra. Here they are uttering the word Kratosmara Kritagam Smara twice. Because once they are asking the cosmic energy, the cosmos, please remember whatever I have done to experience oneness with you. Second, they are reminding themselves, please remember whatever you have done to achieve oneness with the cosmos. So the first is Om Grato Smara Kridagam Smara, means, O God, please remember whatever I have done, all the things I have done to become one with you and shower my grace. And second, Krato Smara Kridagam Smara is to tell yourself, hey, please remember how much you struggled to achieve the oneness. Now is the moment, don't miss. Listen. One Kratosmara Kridagam Smara is the prayer, request. Second Kratosmara Kridagam Smara is decision to be ferocious with yourself. Understand, you struggled, did so much to achieve oneness. Now don't be diverted by anything else, any other desire, any other greed, any other fear. Nothing else should touch you. I can say, again, these rishis have done something extraordinary. If I have to pick up 7 spiritual poetic wonders in all the scriptures available, I'll pick up this as one. Because only an enlightened being who has gone through the last moment knows exactly what will be the last moment problem. Understand? Only an enlightened being who achieved enlightenment will know what will be the last moment problem. Don't ever think in the last moment you will have a big desire like a lust or a big greed like ruling a kingdom. It will be just cheaper than Coca-Cola and pizza. Please understand. It will be cheaper than Coca-Cola and pizza. The last moment desires will never be a greed of ruling a kingdom or a lust of having man or woman or whatever. No. All last moment problems will be just simple Coca-Cola. one piece of pizza which you think is cute, please understand, always with the major desires, your intelligence will wake up and say, no, this will divert me from enlightenment. But the small desires, such cute desire, why not have it? Your whole life, even if you are a seeker, it is the small desires. You don't say no. So you have not built the habit of saying no. You have not built the defense against a cup of Coca-Cola or a pizza. Only those small desires which you consider as cute and did not build the defense, only they will attack you when you leave the body. I tell you, during the time of leaving the body, the bigger things will never attack you because you would have already built a defense for yourself from them. Stupidly you would have left on small desire. Just want to smoke village BD once. Or want to have a jalebi, hot jalebi and khichdi, or the bang milk from Calcutta. All these were my cute desires which I killed later on. That is why I am repeating exactly, which I built defense very strongly and cleared it and got enlightened. Understand, neither sex nor money or name and fame or a greed to rule kingdoms will not come to you during the last moments, because about all of them you would have already built a defense. For a seeker, the last moment distraction will be just cup of thick curd, a slice of pizza. It will not be anything more, I am telling you, because only those small things you think it is cute and you can encourage it, and you forget to build a defense against them. So when you leave the body, only they will attack you, nothing else. Nothing else. I tell you, I have left the body and seen. I have died. That is why I am telling you what will happen to you when you die. Krato smara kridaggu smara. Krato smara kridaggu smara. I have done this. That is why I am telling you what will happen. Don't allow even one incompletion without completing it, without building a completion wall, without completing it. I used to think that when Raghupati Yogi gave me the BD, I did not pick up and smoke. That's why my enlightenment got delayed. My enlightenment is getting delayed before enlightenment. I used to think that is why my enlightenment is getting delayed. So I thought I should at least once smoke that BD and see. But good, I did not touch. Somehow, just by completing, I was able to get rid of it. But I did not realize that is going to jump on me so powerfully before I started entering into the death process. Only when I entered into the death process, I understood such a simple, stupid, cute desire was attacking me like a demon. And I tell you, it took almost 1 hour for me to complete and throw it away. I was actually sitting in the Manikarnika Ghat and going through the death process. The death process already started in me, means 2.5 days it was happening in my system. It started. And this one desire just stuck. Fortunately, so many dead bodies are burning. I just put my lip as if I am smoking and just inhaled that smoke and pushed inside the body, the pattern died. As if I'm smoking the bidi. I just inhaled that smoke. The smoke of that dead bodies burning. It just disappeared. Understand? I did not have any lust. I did not have any name and fame desire. I did not have any desire to rule kingdom, or I did not have any other desire. Nothing. The stupid BD came. Because my Guru gave, I did not take it. When you leave the body also, you will not be attacked by any problem about which you already built a defense, completion or solution. Only which you have not built a defense or completion or solution, that will only create a big mess. That is why here the rishis are beautifully saying, they are not saying meditate, they are not saying contemplate, they are not saying think through, they are not saying become authentic, they are saying remember. Krato smara kridagum smara. By remembrance, you have to complete it. Means you will have to build defense for all the incompletions you have. You can't afford to leave even once. Maybe a desire to have mavadu and curd rice, or the whole Andhra gongura chutney, the whole southern Tamil Nadu paratha. It will all be too small. By remembrance, you should be able to throw it. Krato smara kridagum smara. Krato smara kridagum smara. When you leave the body, your ability to remember the need of the enlightenment, merging into the cosmos, and ability to provoke the cosmos to absorb you into it. The ability to provoke the cosmos. If you lived your whole life with a deep prayerful experience, now the prayer will become reality. Praying to yourself is completion. Completion with the cosmos is prayer. You telling yourself, hey, remember what all you did just for this moment. And don't look here and there. Enough pizza, enough Coca-Cola, enough curd rice, enough pickles? No. Krato smara kridagum smara. Don't worry. By the time the pain starts, the death pain, all your name and fame, greed to rule the kingdom, sex, lust, everything will lose meaning for you, will lose power over you. It will only be the last one or two things which you did not build defense, which you did not build completion, which you left it in a casual way, unattended way. I have seen people while they die, they do not remember the person with whom they want to have a physical relationship for their whole life. but they'll remember the person with whom they want to flirt. Because the deeper things will disappear, will not make any sense there. These casual things will happen because about the casual things you would not have built the defense. You would not have internalized. You would not have built completion. Vayura nilamamritam Thedam Vayura nilamamritedam Amritamadetam Vayura nilamamritamadetam Basmandaggu Sariram Om Krato Smara Kridaggu Smara Krato Smara Kridaggu Smara Vayura Nilamamridam. Let the life in the body merge with the cosmic life. Let the body go back to its basic elements and be reduced to ashes. O cosmos, please remember what all I have done to achieve oneness with you. O being, please remember what all you have done to achieve oneness with him. So reminding both sides and making that oneness happen. I wanted Vakyartha Sadas to be done on this verse from the angle of reminding the cosmos and reminding yourself. The first, Om Krato Smara Kridaggu Smara. Next, Krato Smara Kridaggu Smara. The second, Krato Smara Kridaggu Smara, is completion of your muscle memory and biomemory. The first, Om Krato Smara Kridaggu Smara, is awakening your bioenergy. The second, Krato Smara Kridaggu Smara, is completion and Shivoham process. The first, Om Krato Smara Kridaggu Smara, is Nityanandoham process. Awakening your bioenergy. Awakening your bioenergy. Om Krato Smara Kridaggu Smara. Krato Smara Kridaggu Smara. Do Vakyartha Sadas on this last line. I'll continue to expand on these verses, especially on this verse. I'll expand and present this as a meditation technique so that all of you can practice it and experience it. Now, essence of today's satsang, reminding the cosmos about your goal, is prayer. Reminding yourself about your goal is completion. Reminding yourself is completion. Reminding the cosmos is prayer. The first, Om Krato Smara Kridaggu Smara, is prayer. Second, Krato Smara Kridaggu Smara, is completion. The essence of today's satsang, prayer and completion, both leads you to enlightenment. Nobody can do wonders with words in such a poetic way more than our Upanishadic rishis. So, do Vakyartha Sadas on it. I'll expand further on this verse in the further satsangs. Now, with this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Suddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.